welcome to Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. I'm Miss Olivia, and let's start our math meeting today. Alright, so we have Miss Butterfly to help us go through our math meeting, and we're going to start with our calendar. So we're in the month December, and it's, oops, Miss Olivia forgot to change the date, so we're going to be the 10th. So it's December 10th, and it's Friday. Okay, December 10th, and it's Friday. Okay, so let's say the days of the week together, starting with Sunday. Everyone ready? So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, if we look down here, we have our seasons. We have the fall season. We'll be going into winter season very soon. And then we have spring and then summer. Okay, so if we go over here, let's look at our months. Let's say our months together with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so if you look over here on top, we have a new number on the board. We have the number 50, 50. Okay, so if we look at my hundreds chart, I'm going to be counting from 1 all the way to 50. Okay, so listen to Miss Olivia count from 1 to 50 and follow along. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Awesome. So I counted from 1 to 50. And now I want you guys to get out your hundreds chart. So everyone have your hundreds chart in front of you. And then together, you're going to count with Miss Olivia, and we're going to count from 1 to 50. Okay, so everyone have your pointer finger ready. Everyone put your pointer finger on the number 1. All right, let's start. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Awesome. Okay, so we introduced the number 50 and we counted 1 through 50 together, and we did our math meeting board. So now we're going to do our lesson for today. So we're on lesson number 4. So everyone get out your folder with the lesson 4 label on it. And then we're going to be looking at these 2 folders, lesson 4 with the blue dot and lesson 4 with the green dot. Okay, so everyone get out the materials in the lesson 4 folder with the blue dot. Okay, our center today is clothesline, and the directions say clip the clothes in order from 26 through 50. Write the number and order on the recording sheet. Okay, so our center today, we have these like laundry. We have a shirt and some jeans. It looks like some shorts with some numbers that say 26 through 50. And then we have over here our recording sheet. So we're gonna need our dry erase eraser and our dry erase marker, and we can just put these on the side for now. Okay, so let's look at our cards that have the numbers and the clothes on them. Okay, so it says clip the clothes in order. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a line in them, okay, like a clothesline. Anyone know what a clothesline is? Anyone use a clothesline in your family? Where they hang the clothes on the line with the clip, the clothespin, and they just make their clothes dry outside? Anyone use one of those? I know on the res some people use those. So, okay, 26 to 50. So we're gonna look for our number 26. So what clothes has the number 26 on them? Let's find the number 26. Okay, I see it right here, and it looks like some shorts. Okay, the number 26 will be our first number that we're gonna put on our pretend clothesline. So it'll be up here, the number 26. Okay, so we have 26. Next will be 27. So let's look for our clothes that has the number 27 on it, and I see a purple shirt right here with the number 27. So let's take this off, and then we can pin it right next to our shorts, the number 27. Okay, we have 26, 27. Next will be 28. So let's look for our number 28. It looks like it's right here on some red shorts. Okay, so let's put that next to our shirt. Okay, 28. What comes next? If you need help, you can use your hundredths chart. 29. Okay, so let's look for our number 29. You see our number 29 on a blue shirt. And then we can put that right next to our red shorts. Okay, we have 29. Let's look for the number 30. 30. Number 30 right here. Some purple shorts. The number 30. And we can clothespin it right next to this. Okay, so we have 30. Let's look for 31. 31. See number 31 right here on a red shirt. And then we can put it on our clothesline right here. Okay, so we have 31. What comes after 31? 32. So I see 32 on some yellow shorts. And then we'll place it next to our red shirt. This is 31. Okay, so we have 32. Where's number 33? See 33 right here. Number 33 on some orange shorts. Place it up here. Okay, so 33. Let's look for 34. 34. See number 34 on some green shorts. And then we can place it up here. So we have 34. What comes after 34? 35. So let's see. Where's number 35? See number 35 on a yellow shirt. So let's place number 35 next to 34. Okay. 35. Now let's look for 36. Number 36. See it on an orange shirt. Number 36, and we'll place it by 35. Okay, so we have 36. What comes after 36? 37. So let's look for our number 37. See right here on a green shirt. And then we'll clothespin it on our pretend clothesline. Okay, so we have 37. Let's look for 38. 38. I see number 38 right here on some blue shorts. And then we'll place it next to 37. Okay, 39 is next. 39. Anyone see 39? I see it right here on a brown shirt. Number 39. So we'll place it next to our 38. Okay, so we have 38, 39. What comes after 39? 40. Okay, so I see 40 right here on the blue shorts. So we'll place 40 right here. Okay, so we have 40. Let's look for 41. Anyone see 41? Right here on this blue shirt, number 41. Then we'll place it next to 40. Okay, so you have 40, 41. What comes after 41? 42. Okay, so I see some number 42 and some brown shorts. So we'll place it next to 41. Okay, so we have 42. Let's look for 43. 43. See it right here on our blue shirt, number 43. And I'll place it next to 42. Okay, so we have 43. What comes after 43? 44. See the number 44 on a purple shirt. So let's place it right next to our blue shirt that says 43. Okay. So we have 44. We're looking for 45. 45. I see it right here on a red shorts. So let's put it next to 44. Okay, our clothesline is getting really long. Let's keep going. So we have 45. Let's look for 46. See 46 right here on the yellow shirt. Number 46. Let's place it next to 45. So we have 45, 46. What comes after 46? 47. So we have 47 right here on some purple shorts. Number 47. And then we can place it next. So we have 47. Let's look for 48. See 48 right here on a red shirt. Number 48. And then we'll place it next to 47. Okay, so we have 48. Anyone see 49? Right here. This is 49. 4 and a 9. And some yellow shorts. 49. Okay, so number 49. Our last number, 50. 50. And it looks like it's on an orange shirt. Our number 50. So we'll place it right after 49. So 50. Okay, so we put all of our clothes in order from 26 to 50 on our clothesline. We pretend clothespin them in order. That's a lot of clothes, right? Okay, so let's count it. Okay, so starting from 26. Everyone ready? Point to number 26. So we have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Awesome. Okay, so now that we did our counting from 26 to 50, let's look at our recording sheet. So this is when you will get your dry erase eraser and your dry erase marker. Okay? So, you can also use your hundredths chart. Okay? So, let's read the directions. Clothesline, directions, record the numbers in order from 26 on this sheet. Okay, so you can always get your hundredths chart and you can have it right next to you. Oh, mine doesn't stick on the board, but let's see. You can always have it right next to you. And we're going to start from 26 to 50 on this sheet. Okay, so let's start with the number 26. Let's write the number 26 on your first number line. So let's write the number 2. The number 2. So we're going to start off with a loop to the top, go down, and then go straight across. 2. Let's make a 6. So we're going, excuse me, we're going to go to the top, curve down, do a loop, little circle, and stop in the middle. 26. Okay, let's write number 27. Starting with a 2. 27. We're going to write a 2 like we did before. And then let's write the number 7. So number 7, we're going to go straight across to the top and then go down. Write the 7. Okay, so we have 26, 27. What comes next? Look at our hundredths chart, 28. So let's write the 2. Number 2, and then let's write the number 8. So starting from the top, loop to the middle, and then go down, and then make a circle, little circle, come to the middle, and then connect to the top to make an 8. 28. Okay, so we have 28. Let's write the 29. So let's write a number 2, and then write the number 9. So we're going to go straight down, and then we're going to make a half circle, stopping at the dotted line to make a 9. 29. Okay, so we have 29. Then we're going to write the number 30. So let's write the number 3. So we're going to start at the top, loop to the middle of the dotted line, stop, and then we're going to loop to the bottom. Make a 3, and then we're going to make a 0. So we're just going to make a 0 next to 3 to make 30. Okay, so let's say what we have so far. We have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so we have 30. Well, let's write 31. So let's start with the 3. So we're going to start at the top, loop to the dotted line, stop, and then we're going to loop to the bottom to make a 3. And then we're going to make a number 1. So we're going to start at the top and then go straight down. 31. Okay, so let's write 32 next. So starting with the 3, we're going to loop to the dotted line and then loop to the bottom. 3, and let's write number 2. So we're going to go up to the top, go down, and then go straight across. 32. Okay, let's write 33. So starting with the 3, we're going to start at the top and then make a loop to the middle of the dotted line. We're going to stop, and then we're going to come down and loop to the bottom. 3. So we're going to do that again. To make a 33, we're going to write a number 3 again. So we're going to start at the top, loop to the middle, and then stop, and then loop to the bottom. 33. Okay, so what comes next? After 33, 34. So we'll write the number 3 first. We're going to loop to the dotted line, stop, and then we're going to loop to the bottom. Make a 3. Now let's make a 4. The number 4. So we're going to do a straight line down, and then we're going to come, make a straight line, stop at the dotted line, and then go straight across to make a 4. 34. Okay, next we're going to write 35. So let's start with the number 3. We're going to come around, loop to the dotted line, and then loop to the bottom, 3. Now let's write the number 5. So we're going to go across, and then stop, go down, stop at the dotted line, and then loop to the bottom to make a 5. 35. Okay, so let's say what we have so far. So we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So what comes after 35? 36. So let's write the number 36, starting with 3. We're going to loop, come to the middle line, stop, and then loop down to the bottom. 3. Now let's write number 6. So we're going to go start at the top, and then come down, and then make a half circle, and then stop at the dotted line. 36. Okay, now let's write number 37. Number 37, starting with the number 3. And start at the top, loop down to the middle, and then loop to the bottom. 3. Now let's write the number 7. We're going to come to the top, go across, and then go down. Let's make a number 7. Okay, so now we're going to do 38. So starting with 3, write the number 3, and then let's write the number 8. So we can come to the top, curve at the middle line, curve, loop to the bottom, and then make a little circle, and then go across, and then connect it to the top. 38. Okay, let's write 39 next. 39. So let's start with the number 3. Write the number 3, and then let's write a 9. So we're going to make a line, go straight down, and then do a half circle, stop at the dotted line. 39. Okay, let's write the number 40. 40, starting with the number 4. So we're going to go down to the dotted line, stop, go across the dotted line, and then go start at the top, and then go straight down. 4. Now let's make a 0. Write a 0 next to the 4. 4, 0, we make 40. Okay, so let's say the numbers that we have so far. We have 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So what comes after 40? 41. Okay, so starting with the number 4, we're going to start at the top, go down, stop at the dotted line, go across, and then we're going to start at the top and then go straight down to make a 4. Now let's make a 1. Start at the top and go straight down. 41. Okay, let's write number 42 next. So starting with the 4, start at the top, stop at the dotted line, then go across the dotted line, and then start at the top and then go straight down for 4. And now let's write the number 2. So we're going to curve to the top and then go down and then go straight across. 42. Okay, so what comes after 42? 43. So let's start with our number 4. Starting at the top, stop at the dotted line, go across, pick up your pencil, start at the top and then go straight down. 4. Now let's write the number 3. So starting at the top, loop to the dotted line and then loop to the bottom. 43. Okay, so let's write the number 44. So 4, starting with the number 4, go straight down to the dotted line and then go straight across, then come to the top and then go straight down. We make a 4. Let's make another 4. So starting at the top, stop at the dotted line, go across, pick up your pencil, and then go straight down. 44. Okay, so 45 is next. So let's write the number 45. So starting with the number 4, write your number 4. And then we'll write the number 5. So we'll start at the top, go across, stop, and then come down, stop at the dotted line, and then loop to the bottom. 45. Okay, so what comes after 45? If we look at our hundreds chart, we have 45, we have 46. So let's write the number 46, starting with the number 4. Write your number 4, and then let's write the number 6 next to it. So we're going to start at the top, go down, and then loop to the dotted line to make a little circle. 46. Okay, what comes next? 47. So let's start with the number 4, starting with the top, stop at the dotted line, go across, and then start at the top and go straight down. 4. Next we make a number 7. So starting at the top, go across, and then come down. 47. So we have 47. Next we have 48. So let's write the number 4. Starting at the top, stop at the dotted line, go across, and then pick up your pencil and start at the top and then go straight down. 4. Next, let's write the number 8. So we're going to make a little loop to the top, curve at the dotted line, loop to the bottom, come up, loop again, and then we'll make a little circle coming up to connect the 8. We have 48. Next we have 49. So let's write number 49, starting with your number 4. And then let's write the number 9 next to it. So let's start at the top, go straight down, and then we'll make a little half circle. Make a 9, 49. Okay, so we have 49. What comes next? 50. So let's write number 50, starting with the number 5. So we're going to come to the top, go across, and then we're going to go down, stop at the dotted line, and then loop at the bottom to make a 5. And then next we have to make a 0. So we're just going to make a little circle to make a 0. So 50 is 50. Okay, so let's say all the numbers we wrote together. Okay, starting with 26. So we have 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Awesome. Okay, I hope you guys used your hundreds chart as a guide to help you. It is always there, remember? Okay, so this is our center for today, our clip line. You guys can always do this at home. If you have clothespins, you can always clip them, or if you have a clothesline at home, that'd be really cool. Okay, so just remember, you can always take this out and do it at home for extra practice. Okay, so now that we're done with our center, let's look at our lesson 4 folder with our green dot. And let's see what worksheets we have today. Okay, so get out your worksheets. Miss Olivia has hers on the board. And it looks like we have color by code. And I can count from 31 to 40. Okay, so let's look at color by code first. And the directions say, write the numbers 21 through 40 in the squares. Use the color code to color the squares that end with the given numbers. Okay, so everyone will need your pencil. So everyone get out your pencil. Have your pencil in your hand. And we are going to be writing in 21 to 40. So I'm going to get a marker so you guys can see it better. Okay, so let's write our numbers first. Starting with 21. So we have 21. What comes after 21? 22. So let's write the number 22. 22. So 21, 22, 23. So write the number 23 in our next box. 23. What comes after 23? 24. So let's write the number 24 in this box. What comes after 24? 25. So write the number 25. Okay, so we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So let's write the number 26 next. Okay, so we have 26, 27. Write the number 27. So we have 26, 27. What comes after 27? 28. Okay, so let's write the number 28. Then we have 29. What comes after 29? 30. So let's write a 3 first. The number 3, and then we'll write a 0 next to it to make the number 30. Okay, so what comes after 31? 30. 31. So let's write the number 31. Write a 3 first, and then write the number 1 next to it to make 31. Then we have 32. What comes after 32? 33. So we'll make 2 3s to make 33. Next we have 34. So let's write the number 34. Okay, so what comes after 34? 35. So we're going to make a number 3 first. And then we're going to write the number 5 next to it to make 35. Okay, so we have 35, 36. So write the number 3, and then next to it we'll write the number 6 to make 36. Okay, so what comes after 36? 37. 37, so we'll write the number 3, and then after it we'll write the number 7. 37. Okay, so what comes after 37? 38. Okay, so let's write the number 3 first. Number 3, and then after it, we'll write the number 8 to make 38. Okay, what comes after 38? 39. So we'll write the number 3. And then right next to the number 3, we'll write the number 9 to make 39, and then our last number 40. Okay, so we wrote in the missing numbers from 21 to 40, so let's say them together, starting with 21. So we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so we wrote in our numbers. Now let's see what we have to do next. It says use the color code to color the squares that end in with the given numbers. Okay, so let's get our crayons out. So everyone get your crayons and have them ready. The colors we need will be red. Okay, so we'll need red. Looks like orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. We need green, and we need the color blue. Okay, so get these colors out. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Okay, so let's look at our first color, which is red. And it says, color the squares that end with the given numbers. So red ends in 3 or 8. Okay, so let's look for the number 3 or 8. Let's look for the number 3 first. So I see the 23 ends with the number 3. So we're going to get our red crayon and then we're going to color in the square. The color red because 23 ends with the number 3. Okay, so red ends with 3 or 8. So let's look for a number that ends with the number 8. Okay, so I see 38. It ends with the number 8, so we're going to get our red crayon and we're going to color in the number 38. Okay, so let's look at our next color, which is orange. So everyone get your orange crayon in your hand. And it says ends with 5 or 0. So let's look for a number that ends in the number 5. So I see 35. Okay, it ends with the number 5. So we're going to color in the square orange. Okay, so it ends in 5 or 0. So let's look for a number that ends in 0. I see 40. 4 and 0. So we're going to color this box orange because 40 ends with the number 0. Okay, so let's look at our next color, which is yellow. So pick up your yellow crayon and let's see. It says yellow ends in 4 or 9. So let's look for a number that ends in the number 4. I see 24 ends with the number 4. So we're going to color in 24 square yellow. Okay, so ends in 4 or 9. So do you see a number that ends in the number 9? I see 39. So let's color in the square that says 39 yellow because it ends in the number 9. Okay. So now that we've colored in the yellows, let's go to the color green. So everyone have the color green in your hand, the crayon. Green ends in 2 or 7. So let's look for a number that ends in 2. I see 22 ends in the number 2, so let's color in the square green. Okay, so ends in 2 or 7. Do you see a number that ends in the number 7? I see 27 ends in 7. So let's color in this square green. Okay, let's look at our next color, which is blue. Okay, so it says blue ends in 1 or 6. Okay, so do you see a number that ends in 1? I see 31. So let's color in this square blue because 31 ends with the number 1. Okay. Ends in 1 or 6. So Does anyone see a number that ends in the number 6? I see 26 ends in the number 6, so let's color in the 26 square blue. Okay, so now I did 2 with you of each color, and then you guys can fill in the rest at home for extra practice and make this page all colorful. Okay, so now that we did that one together, we can go and look at this worksheet that says I can count from 31 to 40. And the directions say cut and paste the numbers in order from 31 to 40. Okay, so we'll be needing our scissors and our glue stick. So everyone have your scissors and your glue stick out? Okay, so I'm going to take them off the board, and we're just going to cut off the numbers at the bottom. So cut on the dotted line. Alright, let me paste this back. Okay, so let's cut out these numbers. While we cut out our numbers, let's say what numbers that we see. Okay, so I see number 37. I see 34, 31, 40. I see the number 35, 38. I see the number 36, 39, 32, 33. Okay, so once you have all of your numbers cut out, you can spread them all out in front of you. And then we're going to get our glue stick ready. And then we're going to paste from 31 to 40 in order. So let's look for the number 31. Look for the number that we cut out, 31, 3 and a 1. Once you find it, put some glue on the back of this card number, and then we're going to place it in our first box. 31. Okay, next, 32. So let's look for the number 32. Right? Number 32. And then we can paste this one next to 31. Okay, so we have 31, 32. What comes after 32? 33. So look for the number 33. And then we can put some glue and then paste it in our next box. Okay, so we have 33. What comes after 33? 34. So let's look for a number 34. Number 34. Okay. 34. Next we have 35. So everyone look for the number 35. Number 35. Glue it next to our number 34. Okay, 35. Then we have 36. So find the number 36. 36. 36. And then we can place this one in our next box. Okay, our next number, 37. 3 and a 7. 37. Okay. 37. What comes after 37? We we have 38. So 3 and an 8, 38. And then we can place this right after 37. Okay, 38. Next we have 39. 39, 3 and a 9. 39. And then what number comes next? 40. 4 and a 0, 40. So let's glue our last number, 40, in its box. Okay, so we paste all of our numbers, 31 to 40, so let's say them together. Everyone ready? Okay, so we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Awesome. Okay, so we finished our worksheets. You guys can do this one at home. And remember, you can always do your center at home for extra practice. I hope you guys enjoyed learning our new number today, 50. It's just going to keep going up, and we're just going to keep counting higher and higher. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I'll see you guys next time.